This is fit for a 2010 through 2018 and possibly beyond Lexus GX with the factory flush side rails removed. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack RCH Vortex 3-bar roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex load bars in silver, 50 inches in length, the RCH legs, which include locks, and the vehicle-specific fixed mount bases. This is part number RCP23-BK. The crossbars are positioned at a maximum distance from front to rear at 53 inches. From front to middle is 32 1/4, and from middle to back is 20 3/4 inches. Maximum load capacity is 220 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.